On June 25th, 2022, the Bipartisan Safer Communities Act was signed into law following the Robb Elementary School tragedy in my hometown of Uvalde, Texas. That's money to pay for mental health resources and security for safer schools to ensure that our kids can learn in peace and without fear. Let's make sure the first bill passed in 28 years to help protect our children in school is more than just symbolic. Let's make it count. Get help applying for school safety grants at greenlightsgrantinitiative.org.
Hey, bud. This doing nothing all day isn't good.
You should be out making friends.
Lots of friends.
Why? Huh? Because I'm not enough? By myself? Because you would love me more if I was always bringing over new money friends?
Yes.
It's called earning dividends, dear.
Get your money working with amazing certificate rates now at americafirst.com.
We all know saving the world has its risks. So Bob from HR has enhanced our health benefits by switching us to Select Health.
Does it cover a city bus being thrown at you? Yes, urgent care is included.
Select Health gives us $0 employee assistance programs and $240 annual wellness reimbursements. And no out-of-pocket costs for our virtual visits.
Nobody's invincible. That's why Select Health makes sure your employees are super covered.
I loved what you did with the mole, man.
Texans. 140 years ago, they invented Lone Star Beer. To survive in this scorching habitat, they've made an unlikely ally, the armadillo. This creature saves parched locals from thirst by supplying them with their favorite beer. A toast to Texas hospitality. Make every beer a Lone Star.
ToxiClean cleans fast. The secret is our sparkles that damage red blood cells. Say goodbye to dirt and aquatic life due to our high levels of toxicity. Ingredients may shrink testicles and cause fertility problems.
What the f?
Do not question the ToxiClean.
Just because it cleans doesn't mean it's safe. For a clean that's safe and powerful, there's Let Me Shine.
Now, son, be careful there. That's beer. Remember the rules. Rule 1, no underage drinking. 2.
Yeah, I know. Aim for the head. You're not scared of much, are you, Dad?
I'm terrified of underage drinking. Gives me nightmares.
Kids face lots of dangers every day. Make sure alcohol isn't one of them. Set clear rules.
No underage drinking!
Hey, just a reminder that me and some friends are headed to the credit card bill tomorrow.
Again, I hate that you're always going to the credit card. Why can't you stay here and do things with us?
You don't generate the same interest. You know what I mean. You know what I mean.
Get your money working and keep more of it at home with 0% interest for 6 months on new Visa credit cards.
She knows what I meant.